I've seen my mentor. Then they give them the answerless theory. Anybody will.
Look at the bride. Okay. Get him, man. Hold on.
I don't want to not do it properly for you.
You're not supposed to scare the camera.
I know. It's like, yeah. It's a good day. It was so quick.
And Chinedu has his first Mass on that Sunday, and he gets someone else to preach. Learning her timetables, but she'd also been learning her catechism, and somehow got the two mixed up. Because as she skipped along, she was singing to herself, 3 persons in one God, 6 persons in 2 gods, 9 persons in 3 gods, etc. Now, we say that the Trinity is a mystery, but again, we often misunderstand what we mean by mystery. There is that story told about the bishop in the 1950s visiting an orphanage, and he asked the children, can anyone tell me what the Blessed Trinity is? And the little boy put up his hand up, and the boy had a slight speech impediment. So he said, it's 3 persons in one God. And the bishop said to the boy, I'm sorry, I don't quite understand. And the boy said, you're not supposed to, it's a mystery. Now, that's not what we mean by mystery. And this isn't the original meaning of the word, but you know what we mean in modern English by a mystery. You read an Agatha Christie or you watch a mystery film, and in the first scene there's a body found dead in a library, and slowly the thing draws you in. Well, when we speak about the Trinity, when we speak about the mysteries of the faith, that's what we mean, that somehow we are drawn in. It fascinates. And the first page of the Bible says that human beings are made in the image of God. Therefore, we have something in common with God that no other living creature does. And well, part of that is every human being needs relationship, needs friendship, needs love. When I arrived to study in Rome in 1992, I didn't know a living soul. And I thought, if I don't make friends here, this will be extremely difficult. And we spend so much time on our relationships. And they give us so much joy, and we put so much energy into them. And they give us so much pain sometimes as well. But our relationships are what make us tick. Well, the Trinity tells us that God himself is a relationship. God is not some lonely old man in the sky. He's much more like a group of friends who are totally relaxed and totally happy in their company, and to invite other people in. And as Christians, we are called to join that group of friends. You know, when the priest at Mass mixes the water and wine, he says this prayer silently. By the mystery of this water and wine, may we come to share in the divinity of Christ. I often think if there's anything we should sing at the offertory, it's that. But that's the truth. That somehow, slowly, we become part of the Godhead. Saint Irenaeus said, God became man that we might become divine. Well, Father Chinedu, as a priest, you're called to help people become precisely that. You've been a priest for a day. If you like, yesterday you were married, today you consummate that marriage. This coming Tuesday, I'll celebrate 36 years as a priest. And
we say thank you and welcome to everybody. To our brother, Father Chinedu. Father Chinedu, no more Chinedu. If I hear anybody call him Chinedu again, I'm trouble. To our brother,
Tell me how to say it properly.
Father Chinedu. Father Chinedu. Yes. So to Father Chinedu, it's been easy from us to say, well done. God bless you and thank you.
You are wonderfully made. I know the devil tremble when they hear you sing. I am God's own. I'm the apple of his eye. I know the apple of his eye.
I invite us if we could just be quiet for a few seconds and listen to this song now.
You are the living God, oh, there's no one like you. You are the living God, oh.
Father, I want to thank you for these ones that are here, that are rejoicing with me in this great event that is unfolding before all of us. Who am I that you have cooperated with me with such a divine power? And now, in this ordination and first mass, I know that you are faithful to your word. You said to David, you have sworn an oath. By your name you will not change, neither shall you alter the words that have gone out of your mouth. And you say you look upon your word that you might fulfill it. It might delay, but you said it will come. And when it comes, it will not lie.